Look at that picture, you can only see about maybe half what you usually would. An air quality warning in effect again today. Stacey's back. We'll look at our forecast. That air quality alert is not the only concern, not even the biggest concern that's out there today.
No, it's the flash flooding. Definitely again today. We're expecting strong thunderstorms later this afternoon. But we do have some good news on the smoke horizon. So I'll show you that in just a minute. But yes, it is still hazy out there. We have an air quality alert in effect for the Front Range. It'll still be hot and hazy, but we have a better chance for storms again this afternoon, not only for the Front Range, but up in the high country. And we'll have pockets of heavy rain moving through. But the air quality looks like it'll be improving over the next few days, especially as we get more rain moving through and we shift our winds a little bit. So here's that air quality warning here for the Denver area. But just as we were mentioning, the bigger story here is the flash flood watch in effect to the west of Fort Collins and down into southwestern Colorado for the rest of the day and in through tonight. So this is Poudre Canyon. We've been talking about this with the flooding taking place last night. A flash flood watch in effect for this area. It stretches all the way down toward Estes Park and Allens Park, and then farther to the south around Buena Vista, Leadville, and Salida. We have flash flood watches here all the way back toward Telluride, and you're right, even into Durango and Pagosa Springs. So we are watching for flash flooding throughout the day today. We don't have much rain occurring at this point, but it will be popping up in the heat of the afternoon, mostly through western Colorado, and then we'll see those storms move down across the Front Range. So we have the chance for thunderstorms all across the state in through the night tonight. Isolated storms, heavy rain, and very gusty winds are possible, along with flooding. Temperatures in the low 90s this afternoon. We'll have a few scattered thunderstorms, and those will be passing off to the east as we head through the later part of the afternoon and evening. Highs today in the low 90s here from Denver out toward Bennett, 94 in Platteville. We'll have upper 80s and mid 80s toward Castle Rock, and then 60s and 70s off to the west into the higher elevations. Right now we're sitting in the 70s from Steamboat to Eagle toward Telluride. We have 80s across eastern Colorado, and right now here around the metro, 83 degrees downtown, 83 in Centennial, and 79 in Arvada, with 70s and 80s as you head off to the west up into the higher elevations. But we also have a Rockies game at 1:10 today, 87 degrees by 1 o'clock, 90 degrees by 4 o'clock with those thunderstorms possible. Had to show you the 24-hour forecast for smoke. Now we're going to see some of this here across eastern Colorado, but look at the improvement over 48 hours. It starts to push out of the way and into the central U.S., which is great news here. We'll start to see less smoke, and we'll see some rain moving through cooler air as well into the weekend. Tonight, temperatures will be in the 80s as we head through the 6 o'clock and 8 o'clock hour. 63 will be our overnight low, and we'll have 60s here for the Front Range and for the eastern plains. 95 will be our high tomorrow. Hot and hazy. We'll even have some triple digits off across eastern Colorado and the southeastern part of our state. Temperatures in the mid 90s here for Denver tomorrow. So scattered thunderstorms off to our west for the next couple of afternoons and included here for the Front Range. Cooler air moving in for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Looking like we'll have highs in the 80s with scattered thunderstorms, and then drier air moving in into next week.